Hello and welcome to this new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can install Apache Maven on both Windows and Linux computers. So let's start with the Windows version. Here open your web browser and go to maven.apache.org and then click on download and download the binary zip archive. Now once the download is finished, open it up and extract it. Location doesn't really matter because we're going to copy it over to the program files folder now. So I'm going to hit Ctrl X, go to my program files folder, Ctrl V, confirm it, and now it's in there. Now I have to go to the directory under bin and copy the path, because now it's essentially installed, but if I open up a command prompt and type mvn, it doesn't work because it's now not registered in the system path, and we're going to do it now. So go to variables and click environment variables, go to path, edit and new, and now you're going to paste your path of the Maven directory. Click OK, 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 then go back to the shell, open up a new one actually because it will be refreshed, mvn-v, and it works. So that's how you do it on Windows. But now the Linux version, for that I have opened up a Ubuntu virtual machine via WSL, and to install it I'm going to type sudo apt install maven, type in sudo password and wait for it to download. Oh, okay, never mind. Wrong password. Hit yes. And now that the download is finished, we can type mvn-v and we have successfully installed Apache Maven on Windows and on Linux. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I kept it in a short format, but I think it is still informative. So thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe and turn on your notifications. Bye.